In this series of videos, I'm going to be showing you some crypto trading tips. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you create a limit order. If you want to buy or sell Bitcoin or altcoins at a price that you can define and you aren't in too much of a rush, you can place something called a limit order. And I'll show you how to do this on 3 of the most popular crypto trading platforms: Coinbase Pro, Blockchain Exchange, and Binance. However, the same terminology and process will also apply to other trading platforms. And I've created full tutorials of all of these, which you can find on YouTube and also on my blog, everybithelps.co.uk. And I'll pop links in the summary below to all 3 exchanges too. And the first platform we're going to be looking at is Coinbase Pro, which was formerly known as GDAX. So over on the exchange, the first thing you'll need to do is deposit funds to trade with. And once you've got some available funds in your wallet, you're ready to trade. So if we just take a look at the dashboard, the first thing we need to do is select our market. Now in this example, I'm going to be selecting Bitcoin with GBP because I'm going to be purchasing Bitcoin with Great British Pounds. However, there are loads of other types of crypto pairs that you can select from the list. Then you have the option to either buy or sell. And then underneath this, you'll see that there are 3 different types of orders that are available in Coinbase Pro. And they are market, limit, and stop orders. Today, we're going to be concentrating on limit orders, but I've also created videos on how to place market and stop limit orders. And the next thing we need to do is type in the amount of crypto that we'd like to buy or sell. And in this example, I'm going to be buying £30 of Bitcoin. Now that is the equivalent of about 0.0040 Bitcoin. So I'm just going to go ahead and type that in now. So that's the amount of Bitcoin that I'd like to purchase. Now the next field is the price that I'd like to buy it at. And you can check out the last trade price in the top hand section up here. Or you can select one of the buy options from the bottom half of the screen of your order book, and that will automatically fill into your limit price. And you can also manually edit this in here. And now you can see that I actually have a fee that is associated to this order. Now the amount of commission fees that you pay on some exchanges will depend whether you are considered a maker or a taker of the market. And this will also depend on trading volumes too. These may seem like small amounts at first, but all these fees certainly do add up. So when you place an order that gets filled at the market price, you are considered a taker of the market and you pay slightly higher fees than other types of orders, and this is due to the convenience. However, when you place an order that is not immediately matched to an existing order, the order is placed on the order book. And if another customer places an order that matches yours, you are considered a maker and you will generally pay less fees. Now there is a caveat to that, and that's if you place an order that gets partially matched immediately, you will pay a taker fee for that portion. Then the remainder of that order is placed on the order book, and when it's matched, it's considered a maker order. Now there's one way to get over that, and what I'm going to do is show you that back over on Coinbase Pro. And if you take a look at the advanced drop down underneath limit price, you see that you have this option called post only. Now this will ensure that your order always goes onto the order book, and if it's matched immediately, it'll basically get rejected. So this will ensure that your order has those reduced fees. Now Coinbase Pro used to have different commission fees for maker or taker orders, regardless of the amount that you're actually trading with. But you can now only really see a benefit when you're trading with $50,000 plus. Now back over to our Coinbase Pro order, you'll see here that under that advanced tab, we have something called time enforced policies. Now these will provide guarantees about the lifetime of your order. So first up, you have good till cancelled. This order will be placed on the order book and remain valid until you cancel it. You then have immediate or cancel. So this order will be placed, and if it's not immediately filled, it will be automatically be cancelled and removed from the order book. And you have kill or fill. So this order will only complete if the entire amount can be matched. Partial matches are not filled with this order type and will not execute. And then once you're ready to place that order, you can obviously click onto place by order. And the order will then be placed on the order book and will appear under open orders. If the market radically changes from the price that you've submitted, or if you want to change the price to fill more quickly, you can cancel your open order just by clicking on the X here. And as I said, the same process will apply to blockchain.com's exchange and to Binance too. So if we just head over to the blockchain exchange, You'll see under your buy option, you have your order type, and if we select limit from here, we put in the amount that we'd like to purchase. We can put in our limit price, so the price that we'd like to pay. And then again, you have these time in force options available from this drop-down. You also have your post-only checkbox. And once you're ready, you can then click on to place your Bitcoin order. Then if we head over to Binance, and if we scroll down from the dashboard here, you can see that you have an option for a limit order. And in here, we can put in the price that we'd like to pay. We can put in the amount that we'd like to purchase, and it'll give us our total here. Now, the only difference over on Binance is the fact that you don't have those time in force options or that post-only option either. And when you're then ready to place your order, you can obviously click on to buy Bitcoin. Once your order has been filled, you can then move your funds over to a secure wallet or bank account. Again, to withdraw from an exchange, I've created full tutorials of all the exchanges, and I'll pop links in the below for you guys to check out. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.